As we age, our skin requires extra care and attention to maintain its radiance and youthful appearance. Wrinkles, fine lines, and dryness can be frustrating, but the right products can make a world of difference. In today's video, we'll be exploring 5 of the best products for aged skin, each formulated to combat the signs of aging and promote healthier, more youthful skin. Whether you're looking for moisturization, wrinkle reduction, or overall skin rejuvenation, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the reviews. Kicking off our list at number 1, Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. The Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream has become a cult favorite for those with mature skin. Known for its effective anti-aging formula, this cream offers a powerful combination of ingredients that work together to deliver smoother, firmer skin. Packed with aminopeptides and niacinamide, it targets wrinkles, fine lines, and skin texture, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to rejuvenate their complexion. Key features: Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream boasts several key features that set it apart from other products on the market. Its formula includes a high concentration of peptides and niacinamide, which are known to help stimulate collagen production. This, in turn, improves skin elasticity and firmness. The cream also contains antioxidants that help protect the skin from free radical damage, which accelerates the aging process. Benefits and usage: this cream is designed to deliver visible results within a short period. Users typically notice smoother skin, reduced fine lines, and a firmer texture after just a few weeks of consistent use. To use, apply a generous amount to the face and neck, massaging it in gentle upward motions. It's best used both morning and night for optimal results. With regular use, you can expect to see improvements in skin tone and texture, along with a youthful, radiant glow. Usability: Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream is suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin, due to its gentle, non-irritating formula. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it a perfect base for makeup or other skincare products. Its lightweight texture also makes it ideal for layering with other treatments, so you can incorporate it into your existing skincare routine seamlessly. Durability: when it comes to durability, this cream is highly praised for its long-lasting effects. The formula hydrates the skin for hours, providing continuous moisture without the need for constant reapplication. Additionally, the product's anti-aging benefits continue to improve over time, so you can expect long-term results with consistent use. In the second spot, we have Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair is a game-changer in the world of anti-aging skincare. It's a fast-acting product formulated with a potent combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid. This powerful duo works together to diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, making it a perfect option for those seeking quick, noticeable improvements in their skin. Key features: one of the standout features of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair is its inclusion of accelerated retinol SA. This special ingredient helps to boost the effectiveness of the retinol, delivering smoother skin in a fraction of the time compared to other products. The formula also includes hyaluronic acid, which provides intense hydration to the skin, keeping it plump and moisturized while fighting wrinkles. Benefits and usage: Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair provides impressive anti-aging benefits. Its formula works quickly to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin looking smoother and more youthful. To use, apply the product to cleansed skin, focusing on areas with visible signs of aging. For the best results, incorporate it into your nighttime skincare routine, as retinol can increase skin sensitivity to the sun. Usability: this product is best for individuals with mature skin who want to target deep wrinkles and discoloration. It's suitable for most skin types, but those with sensitive skin should start with a small amount to test for irritation. The lightweight formula absorbs easily into the skin, leaving no greasy residue behind, and it layers well with other treatments. Durability: Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair is praised for its ability to provide quick, visible results. While it takes several weeks to see the full effect, users typically report smoother, firmer skin and a reduction in the appearance of wrinkles after just a few applications. It's a product that's designed for long-term use, and consistent use will provide the best and most enduring results. Coming in at number 3 is the Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream is another standout product in the anti-aging category. With its high concentration of retinol, this cream targets deep wrinkles and fine lines. It works overnight to rejuvenate the skin, so you wake up with smoother, firmer skin every morning. This is a tried-and-true product for those seeking to tackle serious signs of aging. Key features: Retinol Correction Cream is formulated with a powerful retinol complex that works to reduce the appearance of deep wrinkles and fine lines. In addition to retinol, the cream contains a blend of moisturizing ingredients, including glycerin and dimethicone, which keep the skin hydrated and smooth. The formula is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, making it suitable for individuals with oily or combination skin. Benefits and usage: the benefits of using this cream are immense, especially for those struggling with visible signs of aging. Retinol Correction deeply nourishes the skin while also boosting collagen production to combat sagging. Apply the product every night before bed, gently massaging it into clean skin. As retinol can be irritating, it's recommended to start with a small amount and gradually increase usage as your skin builds tolerance. Usability: Retinol Correction Night Cream is easy to use and works well as the final step in your nighttime skincare routine. It's designed for those who want to target deep wrinkles, and its rich texture makes it an excellent option for dry and mature skin. Although it's potent, it's generally well tolerated by most users. For those with sensitive skin, it's advisable to begin with a lower concentration or use it every other night to avoid irritation. Durability: Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream is durable in terms of both the product's longevity and its results. The cream is designed to provide lasting moisture and anti-aging benefits. Users report visible improvements in the texture and appearance of their skin after consistent use. With long-term use, deep wrinkles and fine lines visibly diminish, and skin feels more rejuvenated. Taking our 4th spot is Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Wrinkle Repair. Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Wrinkle Repair is a luxurious, targeted treatment designed to address multiple signs of aging. Packed with potent ingredients such as peptides, antioxidants, and retinol, this product helps repair damaged skin, reduce fine lines, and promote collagen production, making it an ideal solution for those seeking a complete anti-aging treatment. Key features: this wrinkle repair cream features a robust blend of peptides, antioxidants, and retinol to provide anti-aging benefits. The peptides stimulate collagen production to firm the skin, while the antioxidants protect against environmental damage. The retinol works to increase cell turnover, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving skin texture. Additionally, the formula contains hydrating ingredients like ceramides to keep the skin moisturized. Benefits and usage: Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Wrinkle Repair is a great option for those who want a comprehensive anti-aging treatment. The product's blend of retinol and peptides makes it effective at addressing both surface-level wrinkles and deeper, more stubborn lines. To use, apply the cream to clean skin at night, gently massaging it in. As retinol can increase sun sensitivity, always follow up with sunscreen during the day. Usability: this product is suitable for those with normal to dry skin types, though it can be used by individuals with combination skin as well. It's an excellent option for people who need something more potent than a regular moisturizer but are concerned about irritation. For first-time retinol users, Paula's Choice recommends starting with a lower concentration and gradually increasing usage to avoid sensitivity. Durability: the effectiveness of Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Wrinkle Repair becomes more noticeable over time. It provides long-term results by consistently improving skin texture, tone, and elasticity. The formula is built to be durable, offering sustained hydration and wrinkle repair with continued use. Users report smoother, firmer skin over several weeks, making it a worthwhile investment for aging skin. And finally, at number 5, we have the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. The Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 is an excellent product for those with aged skin, particularly those seeking hydration. This simple yet effective serum uses a high concentration of hyaluronic acid, a powerful ingredient known for its ability to retain moisture in the skin. Combined with vitamin B5, it helps to plump the skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve overall skin texture. Key features: this product features a 2% concentration of hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture into the skin and holds it there. The inclusion of vitamin B5 further enhances the skin's ability to retain hydration, while also promoting healing and skin barrier repair. The formula is lightweight, making it perfect for layering with other serums or moisturizers. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of this serum is intense hydration, which helps to plump up the skin, making fine lines less noticeable. It's great for those with dry or dehydrated skin and can be used both morning and night. To use, apply a few drops to clean skin and gently massage it in. Follow with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Usability: the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to layer with other products, and it's gentle enough to be used daily. This serum is ideal for anyone looking for an effective, budget-friendly product to address dehydration and improve skin texture. Durability: the effects of this serum are noticeable quickly, with immediate plumping and hydration. Over time, the skin continues to benefit from increased moisture retention and improved skin texture. The product's durability is evident, as it delivers consistent hydration and helps maintain a smooth, youthful complexion. Number 5, there you have it. These top 5 products for aged skin are packed with powerful ingredients that tackle wrinkles, dryness, and loss of elasticity. Whether you're looking for intense hydration, wrinkle reduction, or overall skin rejuvenation, these options have got you covered. With consistent use, you'll see noticeable improvements and feel more confident in your skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Here's to glowing, youthful skin. Thanks for watching.